Hi, today I am going to explain 3 different ways to create logo in SolidWorks. So let's start now. This is the simple model I have created. So first option is with Extrude boss. So simply select the sketch, go to feature and Extrude boss. So thickness I have given 0.2 mm. Say OK. See, this is how it looks. I am applying the color now. This is one method. Other method is wrap option. So select this face. The sketch is already been selected and check emboss option and say OK. See, I am changing the color now. So third option is first we need to create split line. So select this face, say OK. So there are two faces. Now I am selecting this face and I have to go to surface and say offset. Offset height is 0.5. See. So there is an offset surface. This is the offset surface. Now select this offset surface and go to thicken and give the same value 0.5 and say OK. So thickness has been added. Here we have to check this merge results. So now I am adding the color. So these are the 3 different ways we usually practice in SolidWorks while creating logos. One is wrap option, extrude option and split line option. Thank you.